toolboxes shifting, lumber sliding, and loading long items. Your truck bed's front wall sees a lot of activity when in use. Every impact risks dents, scratches, and damage to the resale value. Our answer? WeatherTech's CabProtector, a custom-fit protective panel that stands between your cargo and the bulkhead of your truck bed. Let's take a closer look. CabProtector features patent-pending impact ring technology, like our best-selling ImpactLiner, and it works just as hard to protect your vehicle. The strategically designed rings on the backside act as shock absorbers. They create a barrier to small bumps against the cab wall while dispersing harder hits. This solution is designed to pair seamlessly with our ImpactLiner and further enhance the protection of your truck. CabProtector won't interfere with your OEM badging and works with virtually any tonneau cover or bed mat, including spray-in liners. CabProtector attaches securely to the bulkhead wall. 3M VHB adhesive strips with a hook and loop system keep it in place. Installation is simple. Just peel off the backing, position it against your cab wall, and press firmly. Wait 24 hours before driving, and you're protected. Shield your truck with CabProtector and ImpactLiner, proudly designed, engineered, and manufactured in America by WeatherTech.